Now, one of the features you're absolutely going to love with all the Alpine floor plans is notice we're built on a wide body frame. Check this thing out. Just like we had up front, additional storage down below. So there's Brad again. Yeah. You find all the good hiding spots.
Yeah, just catching a quick nap.
Hey there, this is Steve Hawblitzel with Keystone RV, District Sales Manager for the Alpine and Avalanche Division. Today we are excited to introduce to you one of our brand new, most amazing Alpine floor plans. It's the 3912DS. DS for dual suite. But wait, we're going to get to that in a little bit. One thing you're going to notice on the outside is we've got floor to ceiling, nose to tail awnings on the exterior. We are set up for success, so you can take all your things with you. And second to that, you're going to notice our outside storage areas.
Hi, I'm Brad Hile, District Sales Manager for Alpine Avalanche. This is the perfect unit for hide and seek with plenty of hiding spots.
All right, Brad, 3912DS Alpine. Why don't you tell me a few of your favorite features on the outside of this unit?
Well, the few features that I really like, specifically on the outside, are kind of subsurface things. So I really like to point them out right here by the door. The first thing is our puller pack. Now, there's a lot of coaches out there that are meant for extended season camping, spring into fall. We actually have a full 4-season camper rated down to negative temperatures and warranted for full-time living. So we've got obviously the heated enclosed underbelly, but also custom wrapped and heated tanks to make sure you have direct heat to those tanks all the time. One of the other things we do at Keystone is we have these QR codes outside the doors. We have multiple different solar packages with this Solar Flex 200 that actually comes standard on every single Keystone product. So you get a solar panel on the roof, you get a charge controller. If you get a residential refrigerator in these Alpines like this one here, it already comes with the inverter, so your refrigerator can run right off of that battery through the inverter. And then the other thing I really like about the outside is how we kind of protect this coach long term, and that's with our suspension underneath by the tires. We use the Road Armor suspension, which allows each side of that axle to travel up and down 6 inches, which reduces the road shock by quite a bit over the MORryde system. So other than that, Steve, you're kind of up near the front of the coach. What are a few things that you can point out that you really like on the front of the Alpine?
Well, sometimes it's the simple things that really impress me. I love our entryway to this unit. Number one, it's got the extra large grab handle, nice, safe, secure. As you can see, you can reach it before you're even up on the steps. Number two, the Lippert solid steps. A lot of our times our competition has stairs. They go step, step, step. When they get to the top, it's still just a skinny step. If you notice the top of ours, it's almost a double-sized landing. So again, nice, safe, secure, easy to get in and out of this unit. Also, as we continue to move forward, we saw the storage when you were up in there earlier, but notice up and beyond, new for all Keystone products this year, we are using the Dragonfly lithium-ion batteries. Every Alpine comes standard with the 2 100-amp-hour batteries, so it pairs nicely with the Solar Flex system that we've been using. In addition to that, you were talking about form, function, beauty. Check out the frameless windows up on this bad boy. Not only does it have an 80% tint, but it also protects your seals, your gaskets, everything to protect the window over the life of this coach. So it's beautiful, functional, and gonna get you those temperature ratings you were talking about. All right, Brad disappeared on us, but let's take a look inside. All right, now one of the features you're absolutely gonna love with all the Alpine floor plans is notice we're built on a wide body frame. Most of our competition uses a 96-inch wide. At Alpine, we use a 100-inch wide body. It gives you more room at the foot of the bed, more room in the living room, more room at the bedroom, the bathroom, the whole 9 yards. Again, it's more living space without having to be longer going down the highway. It pairs wonderfully with these 6'10" Summit slides. Again, that volume of space that you're gonna be provided all across all the different floor plans that we have. Notice it even pairs nicely with the dual 4-foot by 5-foot frameless windows on the outside. As you rotate around through here, you're gonna notice wonderful theater seats directly across from the 50-inch TV. But check this out, let's look at this kitchen. Notice the Insignia oven, full-size appliances, convection, whoa!
Steve, did you see the size of this thing? This pantry right here is so big that, I mean, that could act as a baby changing station right there, right in the back there. But you got counter space all the way around, cabinets up top and bottom. I mean, I've never seen a pantry that big in just about anything.
Or most people could actually use it for a coffee maker, air fryer, crock pot, things like that, extra countertop space, whatever they might do. But the thing about this floor plan that really sets it apart, again, you heard it say on the outside, 3912DS stands for dual suites. So good news, Brad, when you get in trouble, guess what? No more sleeping on the trifold sofa for you. You've got your own bedroom.
I don't know that I've been in the doghouse my entire life. So I think you're talking about yourself there.
Let's check these things out.
All right.
All right, so here we are in the master suite. As we talked about down below, you can feel the wide body up here. Look at all the space at the foot of the bed. Gives you room for the nice dresser on this side. The TV is already included. And then as we look at storage, we are washer and dryer prepped already for you. So full-time camping, you've got that taken care of as well. As you roll over to this side, you've got the king size bed with additional storage. And the nice thing is there's outlets on both sides of the bed. So it's potentially for CPAP users, need to recharge your cell phone at night. You've got all that taken care of. Continuing storage, we've got the full size closet up in here.
You know what I like about this, Steve? Here in the Alpine and Avalanche lineup, we have this Blade Pure air conditioning system. So what's really cool about this is that you can twist these tabs here, first of all, and this folds down, and this actually has a changeable air filter, just like you have in a residential home. So it's gonna look and feel the same and then filter out some of those, particles that might come through the unit there.
Yep, and absolutely. One of the nice things about every Alpine, it's dual 15s on your air conditioners. It's already prepped for a third AC, but here's the best part. On those cool fall evenings, it's already got an electric heat pump installed on every Alpine as well. So again, you're not spending your money turning on the furnace, burning propane, keep the whole unit warmed up at 40 degrees or above, you're good to go out there as well. But as we mentioned out front, this is only suite number 1.
Oh, so when mama kicks you out,
again,
we gotta go see your bedroom.
We gotta go see the other bedroom. Let's check that one out next.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, well, we mentioned it up front, king suite up front. Now we're gonna show you the queen suite. Check this thing out. Just like we had up front, additional storage down below. So there's Brad again. Yeah. You find all the good hiding spots.
Yeah, just catching a quick nap.
Now, one of the cool things I like about this is the high profile. It's got windows on both sides, so lots of natural light as well as the cross ventilation. What do you like about this one?
What I really like about this is typically in your fifth wheels, your bedroom's in the front, so where the ceiling height is a little bit lower, that's your wardrobe space. Whereas here, you have this entire floor to ceiling wardrobe space. So, wardrobe and cabinet space clear across the top, dual wardrobes in here, and then even the little dressers with the 3 stack drawers and the shoe cubby back here. So, the other great thing about this private space back here is you don't have to walk to the front to get to the bathroom, because here you have your own private bathroom in the back now as well. So you'll have a full vanity, a full 48-inch shower, and again, the fact that it goes full floor to ceiling, you could be a 8-foot tall person and still fit in there without, having to have your head up in the little skylight area.
All right, well, hopefully you enjoyed this quick look at the Alpine 3912DS. I've certainly enjoyed showing it to you. For more information, be sure to check us out at keystonerv.com/Alpine. You can also follow us on all your major social media platforms. You can find us all over the place, additional videos, lots of great information. The last thing I need to know is, where did Brad go?
Oh, hold on, Steve, wait, I need help getting down. Okay, seriously, Steve, I'm scared of heights. Come on, dude, I need help down from here. I'm scared of heights. And the dark. Come on, Steve. Seriously.